Hello and welcome. I will be answering NECO 2018 Chemistry Objective Past Question 9. An alloy that is made up of copper and zinc is called A. Alnico, B. Brass, C. Bronze, D. Duralumin, and E. Steel. So, alloys are substances prepared by adding one or more elements to a base metal to give it certain desirable qualities. So basically, formation of alloys involves mixing or adding one element to a base metal, to a metallic element, to give it some certain desirable qualities or characteristics. So let's look at each of the options, the alloys in each of the options, and what constitutes those alloys. Now, alnico is made up of iron, aluminium, nickel, and cobalt. So these are the constituents of alnico. Now, brass is made up of copper and zinc. Bronze is made up of copper and tin. Duralumin is made up of aluminium, copper, magnesium, and manganese. And then steel is made up of iron and carbon. So these are the various constituents of each alloy given to us in the option. Now we are asked for the one that is made up of copper and zinc, and from what we've established here, option B, brass, is the alloy made up of copper and zinc. So option B, brass, is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.